unless you think Euro Yen is in a 2040 range, which it is and hasn't broken yet, then there's that. In fact, that might be something worth actually attempting. We've been here a few times and we've bounced every time, and we could have a very tight stop. We've got a 41.42. Could play this range with a very tight stop, like a 5 pip stop. I'm going to do that. I'm short. Okay, filled me at 41. Range. This is just a range play. And it's in a 20 pip range, a 20 to 40 range. If we break out of it, I mean, Dow's been making higher highs, yet Euro Yen has stayed under 40. So I'm just going to put like a 5 pip stop on that. Because if it breaks 5 pips, then it's out of that range as far as I'm concerned. So I shorted that at 41. And see if that can stay in that range. If not, of course, then I'll take a small hit. But to me, it's worth it. The risk to reward is worth it. Because if this area holds, this 4 column holds right here, then it may very well make it, I mean, according to this, it'll make it down to 20. But if it doesn't and it breaks out, well, then so be it. But that's good risk to reward. I'll take half off of maybe a plus 10. At least stop the break even at plus 10. Now I'm just looking for these ranges to hold. And I'd like to get back below our 1 minutes for a move down to the 15 area, where it would be great if we get down to the 15 area, but where I think there'd be a good opportunity for a long. We do have this Euro Yen that's at 36.37 plus 4 right now, but it's a range idea, so to take advantage of the risk to reward, in other words, using only a 5 pip stop, I need to hold on for at least 10 pips before taking profit. And do I believe that has it in this? If it's the range that plays out the way it should, then yeah, there's definitely 10 in there. There's almost 20. Let's see what the low is here. Low 20, 23 there. A low of 22. There's a low of what? 20. So low 20s is the potential for that if the range holds. And remember, it's in an overall downtrend, so getting something short at the top of a range in a longer term downtrend is preferable to me. Doesn't mean this is where it's going to turn, it's just where I'd rather be. We just got to keep in mind that the Dow has been moving up, and we know that the yen crosses correlate with the Dow heavily. Euro yen usually moves with it. In this case, it hasn't quite been. I mean, it has moved up off its lows, but at the same time, in this recent move up on the Dow of a good, 30 some odd points was this last little move, the Euro yen has not broken a new high. It's threatening to right now again. Alright, so Dow is trying to make higher highs still. Euro yen is just floating up here around its highs. It looks like it wants to break at any moment. But hasn't done it yet. It's at 39.40. 39.41 is what I got. 39.40 now. Like I said, a 5 pip stop on Euro yen. That's all. It's already late. It's already quarter to 12. There's 36 plus 5 on Euro Yen. I'm at a 35.36. That white zone is starting to hourglass out on the 1 minute. There's 35 plus 6. There's 34. 33. Got a 31.33 on Euro Yen. I'm debating whether to take half here, but I still keep seeing down ticks. So there's 32 plus 9. Alright, there's 31. It's still ticking lower. Alright, but I want to take 10 on half at 31. Alright, Silky took plus 8 on that. There's 30 plus 29, 30 plus 11. Keep going. Twenty-seven, 29 plus 12. Still looks like it's pushing lower. I'm still seeing the low side of 29 right now. There's 28. Got a 27.28 on Euro Yen. And let's see, keep going, keep going. There's still here 26.28. That's plus 13. There's 27 plus 14. Keep going. Alright, let's see, 25, 27. Alright, let's take 27 plus 14. I'm out of that. We're at the lower L2 at the 15-minute box.